Modern vehicles have evolved far beyond simple mechanical wiper systems. Today's cars use sophisticated smart wiper technology that requires specific reset procedures. Smart wiper systems feature rain sensing capabilities and are integrated into the vehicle's controller area network, or CAN bus. This network allows different vehicle systems to communicate with each other. Wiper motor reset becomes necessary in several common scenarios. These include when wipers stop in the wrong park position, exhibit erratic movement patterns, or after battery replacement. There are three main methods for resetting wiper motors. The soft reset involves disconnecting the battery, the hard reset requires manual positioning, and the OBD2 reset uses diagnostic tools. The most common soft reset procedure is straightforward. First, turn off the ignition and remove the key completely from the vehicle. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This clears the electronic memory in the wiper control module. Leave it disconnected for 15 to 30 minutes. While the battery is disconnected, manually position the wiper arms to their correct park position. This is typically at the bottom of the windshield. Reconnect the battery terminal securely. Then test the wiper system by cycling through all speed settings to ensure proper operation and calibration. For vehicles with more complex electronic systems, an OB2 diagnostic scanner may be required to access the body control module and perform electronic calibration. When basic reset methods fail, advanced electronic procedures using diagnostic tools become necessary. These methods provide precise control over wiper motor calibration and can resolve complex electronic issues. Advanced electronic resets require an OBD2 scanner connected to your vehicle's diagnostic port. This port is typically located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Navigate to the body control module settings within the scanner's menu system. Look for wiper motor calibration or wiper system reset functions. The exact menu path varies by vehicle manufacturer. Follow the on-screen prompts for automatic reset. The scanner will guide the wiper motor through its full range of motion and establish proper park positions. This process typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. When reset procedures fail, several underlying issues may be the cause. Mechanical wear in the motor itself, wiring problems, or control module failures require different diagnostic approaches. Use a multimeter to test electrical connections and verify proper voltage supply to the wiper motor. This helps distinguish between electrical and mechanical failures. Industry experts report that 60% of perceived wiper motor failures are actually control module issues that can be resolved with correct reset procedures, avoiding costly part replacements. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components and consult your vehicle's service manual for specific procedures. Proper safety practices prevent damage to sensitive electronic systems.